Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Raf Teke DIY Agritronics. Today my video will be a little bit different. Usually I speak in Filipino, but today I will be speaking in English because I will be making a review on this item that SonOff eWeLink has sent me. So please watch this. Let us now open this package to see what's inside. Okay. The package is so secured and safe. This is the new SonOff Slim Full HD. Let's see. So inside this box, it's the camera. It's so slim and compact in design. And then with the camera, there's also a USB connector, C-type, for the power supply. And then we have screw, and then the manual in Chinese and English and other languages. Then there is a double-sided tape. So that's all inside the box. There's no charger. It is sold separately. So let's see the specs of this camera. So the input voltage is 5 volts, 1 ampere. So we can use any 5 volts charger, like the charger of cell phone. So you could use it to power this camera. The resolution is 1080p. Then the Wi-Fi frequency is 2.4 gigahertz. It's not compatible with 5 gigahertz, so we have to disable our 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi so that we could connect with the camera using the eWeLink. Doesn't have SD card. It's not included in the package. We have to buy it separately. So it's so cute and compact. The power connector is at the back, and there is a reset button, and the speaker, it's at the back. Then there is microphone hole in front, and the sensor, and the camera. It is detachable with the base. This is the camera, so small, but it's a little bit heavy and compact, especially the base. So we can attach this in the wall using screws, and also using double-sided tape, and it's also magnetic, so we can attach it in a steel frame without using the screw and the double-sided tape. We can remove this. So this one, you can connect this in the wall using the screw, and then we can put it back this way. Those are the magnets. It's too strong to be attached in a steel. Okay, so let's test the camera. I'm going to use this USB charger. So this is 5 volts and 1 ampere. Inside the package there is also a SonOff door or window sensor. This is Wi-Fi also, wireless door or window sensor. We can set a scene. Once the sensor was activated, the camera will record. We'll make another video for this one, or maybe you could combine it with this camera. I think I could use this to monitor my garden here in my terrace or upstairs in my rooftop. I'll look for a memory card that I could use to put it inside. I have here a 64 GB SanDisk. This is up to 256 gigabytes. The capacity is up to 256 gigabyte. So insert this way. The connector is facing there. See? Then push it inside the package together with the screws and the tocks. There is a pin where we could just to push this memory card there. It's deep, and we can also use this to reset our camera. So let's plug it in and connect it with our eWeLink app. Let's put back into our frame, snap it, so the USB-C is fit. Upon plugging in, let's wait for the camera to start up, and then let's open our eWeLink app.
Please use mobile phone for Wi-Fi configuration.
Please use mobile phone for Wi-Fi configuration, it says. And then there is the red light. So let's press this one, add, and let's try sound pairing. Next, then input the SSID and the Wi-Fi password. and click next. Is make sure that the camera is near the Wi-Fi.
Please use mobile phone for Wi-Fi configuration.
It seems that the camera is not reaching the Wi-Fi because my router is outside this room where I set up this camera. So let's try another method. Let's try the
Please use mobile phone for Wi-Fi configuration.
let's try the quick pairing. Add one device and then input the password and the SSID, and then click next. Connect your phone to device access point with this camera. Let's connect, and then let's look for the camera. There it is, HAP eWeLink 155596. Let's connect to the camera. It's already connected. Let's go back to the
Please
settings.
use mobile phone for Wi-Fi configuration.
And then it says next because it is already connected. There, it already seen the device, the camera. The LED is now color blue.
Please wait for Wi-Fi connecting.
I choose to configure it here
Please
inside
wait
the
for
room
internet connecting.
because I have two
Internet
bandwidth
connected. Welcome to use
in
cloud
my
camera.
router. I have the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz. The 5 gigahertz could not enter inside this room, only the 2.4. So it's good for my cell phone. Maybe the camera has a poor connection with the router. So it's still sending network info. So that's it, it's already connected. The default name is SCAM, and you can add 2 rooms, but let's just leave it that way. So let's press done. Our camera is now connected with our eWeLink. So let's test it. Connect it. It's there. It's already connected. So let's test it. There, it's already connected. So these are the features of our camera. We have high definition, and there's an option to adjust it to standard definition. Let's try the HD, and then the history. So we have cloud and local videos, and then the cloud could only be activated once we subscribe with the camera plan of eWeLink. And then the local videos, we could use the local videos when we inserted a SD card in our camera. So let's activate the local video. In the settings, local record, there, let's turn it on. Micro SD card is not inserted. Okay, the video will be stored in the micro SD card. So it already recognized the SD card, so it is now recording locally. Then service, these are the eWeLink camera plan. We can only avail of this when we subscribe with the annual plan, 1,850 per year per camera. The monthly subscription is 260 pesos per month per camera. So these are the added features when we subscribe with the eWeLink plan: event video history in the cloud, event detection, and view with voice using EcoShow and Google Nest. So those are the added features. More features coming soon. View on eWeLink web, view on Apple Watch. Those are the added features. And then you can share the capture in the eWeLink user and WhatsApp. Let's see. And then you can rotate the image. There, that's rotated. And then event detection. So this is only available when we subscribe to the camera plan. So let's go to settings. There, the name of our camera, we can edit it. We can connect with the Alexa. It's already in the latest version. Then we can assign location. We can assign in the garden maybe. And then share, we already look at that. Then indicator, we can turn on or off the indicator light. Let's try. There, the blue LED, we can turn it off or turn it on if we use it as a surveillance camera. And then we can activate the motion detection. Once it detected a motion, it will record that event. Let's try. Let's save. We'll see if it will record our action. We'll see later on the history. Then local record, we'll already seen that. And then rotate, already also seen that. And then more settings, we can adjust the speaker volume, the mic, and RTSP. We can view our camera in using RTSP in the desktop. And then the mic sensitivity, and then time zone. We can also format the SD card. So let's try to format our SD card so that it will have a fresh capture. Confirm. It has a fresh file inside, and then you can restart the camera using this eWeLink app. So let's try again the motion detection, if it will record our motion. And then Wi-Fi settings, you can change the Wi-Fi settings, then the manufacturer, model, device ID, and then firmware name. So those are the features and the settings of our camera. So we can put in full screen view. Sit. We are now looking at our garden in our terrace, and a beautiful view of Baguio City. Of course, this is an indoor camera, so we'll see if we could set up it in our rooftop garden. Then we can record a snapshot here. The snapshot will be saved in our cell phone, and we can also record a video. It's the same with the snapshot, it will be saved in our cell phone, and then we can call the camera, but for sure it will have feedback. Let's try testing. This one, testing. Doesn't have sound. Testing. There. Feedback. It went out to the cell phone. If we press this sign, telephone sign, we will call the camera, and then if we press the speaker sign, the voice from the camera, it will come out of the cell phone. So let's look at the website of SonOff, if how much it will cost us for this camera, and see the other features that was included in the website. Before we go up to my rooftop garden, let's see first the price of our Slim Cam. This is the price, $3 to $26.9. It is available in ited.cc. The price of the camera is $26.9. The 5 volts USB power adapter is $3. You can choose whether type B, type I, or type E. These are different socket type: US, AU, DE, UK, and then the memory card. It's worth $11. So those are the price. Cam Slim is available in this website. Soon will be available maybe in Shopee and Lazada, and also in Amazon. And then these are the features of this camera. The high definition 1080p, remote viewing, two-way radio, RTSP setting, night vision, motion detection and event recording, and motion alarm in specific periods. So those are the features, the way to install, and local and cloud storage. So these are the scene linkage with SonOff device. The local storage is expandable up to 256 gigabyte, although there is no indication for the remaining amount of storage available. Sorry, it's in the package. These are the different types of socket, and then this is the specification: 53 mm or 2 inches by 3.63 inches. Then it's wide angle, it's 130 degrees. Lens aperture is 2.3 or 2.4 gigahertz. I already emailed eWeLink to activate my camera plan so that we could try the other features. So hopefully before we finish editing this video, it will be activated already so that we could include it in our review. Let's go now to our rooftop. We just stick our camera in this steel angular bar facing our garden. You can adjust its angle going backward or upward that way, and then tilt it manually. Let's look for the capture in our cell phone. There, we are now looking at our garden. So you can now monitor our hydroponics setup using this cute little guy right there. During daytime or even evening, we can monitor our garden because it has a night vision mode. You can see our misting and our reservoir. You can adjust the angle to stick. The magnet is really strong, could not be removed easily. Let us go down to view the live feed of our Slim Cam through the eWeLink web and the RTSP. And let's see also the added features in our eWeLink camera plan, since our subscription was already activated by eWeLink. It's been a week now since we set up our Slim Cam in our hydroponics garden, and right now we are going to look at our S-Cam from our laptop. There it goes. Our S-Cam is already in our eWeLink web. There we can see the live feed from our Slim Cam. There we can maximize it. That's our Slim Cam in our rooftop. Our plants has already grown up since the last time we put our Slim Cam in our rooftop. I had a technical difficulties with my Android phone, I cannot record the screen. That's why it takes me 1 week to continue with this video. Anyway, I already tested this Slim Cam of eWeLink. Since then, it was already installed there and stayed there for a week now. So that's the live feed from our Slim Cam using the eWeLink web. This is one of the feature if we subscribe with the eWeLink camera plan. There's just a little bit noise from our camera. Let us now try the other features of our eWeLink camera plan. Let's go to our eWeLink app in my tablet. So our S-Cam is already here. Let's open it. That's the live feed from our Android. So we can see here the history. There are already videos recorded in the cloud. This is one of the features of the eWeLink camera plan to record motion and event. So these are the videos recorded, the motion detection and the event detection. The motion detection was videos recorded by the camera's motion detector. So we can sort it. See, those are the motion detected. Although there are no human in my garden, there are those moving objects upstairs. That's why it in my seedlings rack there is a reflector foil. That's why it's moving and it detected as motion. So these videos could be shared and downloaded in this there. It already saved in my album. Could also be shared directly to social media. Just press the share icon and you can share in chat, Bluetooth and Facebook and share it. So those are the media app that are installed in my tablet. So you can share it directly in the social media. And then you can also delete. There's there, delete and cut. Also, we can pass forward the review with that one times or two times, four times, and that's it up to four times. And we can maximize also the screen that way. So those are the things that you could do with the videos recorded in the cloud. So those are the recordings from May 19. Today is May 24. And also we can also see the event. This event was connected with the door sensor, this one, the DW2 Wi-Fi door sensor. Once the door is opened, the camera will record the event. So that's the way we could use the event detection. We can install the door sensor in our door and then we can point the camera there. Once the door was opened, the event will be recorded. So that's the event detection. Then what are the other features? So we can, so this is worth 1,850 pesos annual. And then we can also multi-access to live feed like Eco Show. So I don't have an Eco Show, but I have a Alexa app. So let's go to my Alexa app. Let's open Alexa. So it is already connected with this app. We can say the name because it will be activated. So go to device. Automatically, once you link your eWeLink to this app, it will already detect your devices. So those are the device in this app, including the SCAM. There. We can view the live feed. You can see the live feed from our Alexa app as well, especially if we have an Echo Show. There, you can also speak to the camera and listen the audio. There. Let's go back to our eWeLink. So how to link your eWeLink to Alexa. When I transferred my apps into the tablet, because there is a problem with my phone and I cannot see the camera. What I did was to unlink first my eWeLink this way. So I unlink it and then link it again. So there in your profile, you can see there the Alexa. You can link your Alexa into this eWeLink so that all your device will automatically be discovered in your Alexa app. What are the other features of our SCAM? We have also in our history local videos. So in the local videos, we have 4 types of videos recorded: motion detection, event detection, rescheduled, and then 24/7 recording. All of those videos are in the SD card that was installed in the camera. The difference with the local videos, we cannot share it directly or download it. We have to remove the SD card and put it in a computer to get the files. If it takes time to access the local videos, we can go back to here in the settings. We have here the local recordings. We can view local videos there. It is faster than that, the other part. So once we seen the local videos here, we can go back there and it will be easier to access the files here now. There's difficulty in accessing the local videos, although the cloud videos are easily accessible. Try again. There, the local videos. Let's sort it. The motion detection, and then the event detection. There are no event detection in this local video. Only the cloud videos. It doesn't show here. And then the 24/7. And then we don't have a scheduled video with our other switches. Should be connected with other switches. So those are the local videos. So the difference with this is we cannot download. We have to extract the SD card to get the file. You cannot share it directly. So I think 1,850 pesos is worth it, especially if you have a security issue. So it is important to install CCTV with motion detection or event detection. So once the door is opened, the camera will start recording. Another feature of our camera is the RTSP. We can access the live feed of our camera using RTSP. Let's go to settings, more settings. And then right there, we can see the RTSP. You can go there and then create RTSP link. Once we create a link, let's use the BLC media player. And then in our BLC media player, there, let's open the media and then open network stream. And then let's input the link that was generated, the password, and then the IP address 113.544. I already input it, so let's play. There, we are now looking at the live feed from our Slim Cam. So it's so easy to see the live feed using DLC media player. So we are now looking at the live feed. The RTSP is a free feature from our eWeLink app. You can also create a scene here, scene that will trigger our camera to make an alarm. So let's add, and then smart device when the door is open. This one, save, and then smart device, our SCAM will activate alarm. So let's save that, and then save again. So once the door is opened, our camera will alarm. So let's put a name, alarm, save. So let's see if somebody opened the door in the house, the camera will make an alarm. So let's wait that somebody will open the door. There, someone, there, it make an alarm. Somebody opened the door. So you can hear the alarm from our SCAM. So that's how to make a scene. I don't like my camera to continually making alarm, so I'll just turn off the scene. But if you are going out of the house, or you have a vacation, you can turn on the alarm. Another is we can see our live feed from our device. Here, we already link our other device with our camera. We can turn it off if you want. There, the camera is already not linked with our device, so I want it to be linked. Then choose our camera and then save. So that's it for our SonOff Slim Cam. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Raf Teke DIY Hydroponics, Thank you and God bless.